in a world increasingly disconnected. The Geyes foldable Bluetooth keyboard brings touch back to the digital realm, compatible across laptops, phones, and tablets. This portable board folds down smaller than a wallet, despite its compact size. The Geyes unfolds to reveal a full keyboard, letting you hammer out emails, docs, and more on any device with the ease of a desktop. Its slimline design slips in a pocket, briefcase, or bag for productivity wherever life takes you, whether typing up reports during your commute or catching up on leisure writing from anywhere. The Geyes is your stylish solution for seamless mobile communication, compact yet complete. It keeps you connected while keeping touch at your fingertips.